In order to upload an entire folder of images, you would go to the Files tab, select the File Manager options and choose New Item. Give the folder a name. I'm going to give it Sample. And once it's created, open up the folder and choose Upload. Choose Files. Once you have chosen some files, give it some time for it to upload. And the upload has finished. Now go back to the root directory, and now to configure the newly uploaded folder, give it the exact name that you gave to the folder. File type is image, hit configure, and boom, it's been done. You go back to the home page and hit reload. You can see that sample has been inserted into the data sets that is available to us.